This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Sue Devaldes. Spacious ranch with a beautiful yard on 1 acre of land. This home has plenty of updates. Windows were replaced in 2007, new deep well put in 2010, roof replaced in 2013 and HVAC replaced in 2019, and a tankless hot water heater. There was a remodel done in 2013 that added a family room and full bath. The kitchen has also been updated with granite countertops, updated appliances and new soft close cabinets and drawers with slide-out shelves. This home is being sold as is but has been lovingly cared for. Call today for an appointment. For more information, review the details below.